Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by y to the power of 3. So we have negative 1 over y squared dy over y to the power of 3 dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to negative 1 over y squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dx equals to number 2 over y to the power of 3 dy over dx. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. Next, this one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Next, we multiply both sides by number 2. So I will put this one go to the right. Now we have v, and first the derivative of v, that is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So that is about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that number 2 with the positive next to v. This is for integrating factor. So I will put number 2 gone here. And we have like this. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So for this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have ve to the power of 2s. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of 4s over number 4. And I will put about c. Now we simplify number 2 over number 4. We have 1 over 2. Next, about v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.